Hey, this is Nick, and today I'm going to make an army of resin blobs. I started with a ball of clay. I ripped off a piece and rolled it up. Then I pushed it against a hard surface to start my blob shape. I made 10 different balls so that I can make 10 different blobs. Here I'm using an eraser of a pencil to make the eyes. And then I use the tip of a ballpoint pen to make the pupils. I continue using different objects to push into the clay to make the eyes and mouths. I really liked using the tip of a pen to make little teeth and mouth shapes. I worked through all 10 pieces of clay to make 10 different looking blobs. When I finished sculpting them, it was time to start molding. I used a plastic cup as my mold box. I glued it to the table with hot glue and started mixing my silicone. This is fast-setting silicone that I mixed 1:1 by volume. Once it was fully mixed, I poured the silicone over the blobs. It set in about 5 minutes and I was able to demold. I took out all the pieces of clay so that they can be reused later. I'm using polyurethane resin supplied by Let's Resin. This is a 1:1 fast-setting resin. Always make sure to use the correct safety precautions when you're using resin. I wore gloves and a respirator. I mixed up the two parts and added some Let's Resin neon pigments into it. Then I poured it into the mold. It set in about 10 minutes and I was able to demold and move on to the next color. I used 5 different molds and produced 50 blobs. I decided that there was a little bit of roughness to the bottom, so I sanded them down. And there you go, the final blobs. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about mixing resin or making silicone molds, and what you want me to make next. Thanks for watching. Bye.